You know the green Heineken bottle, but behind it is a family-controlled empire with a wild, complex history. Today, we're diving into the untold story of Heineken, risky bets, secret recipes, global domination, and the business lessons you can steal. In 1864, 22-year-old Gerard Heineken bought Amsterdam's biggest brewery, betting everything on a new, unproven style, Bavarian lager. It was a massive risk, pivoting from traditional ales to a crisp, difficult-to-make beer that no one in the Netherlands was brewing. That bold move set the stage for a global legacy. Gerard's obsession with quality led to a breakthrough. In 1886, Dr. Hartog Elian isolated a unique yeast strain, Heineken A-Yeast. This secret ingredient is still the backbone of Heineken's flavor worldwide. They guard it like a state secret, ensuring every bottle tastes the same, from Tokyo to New York. Consistency became their superpower. Despite being public, Heineken is still controlled by the founding family through a clever holding company structure. Charlene de Carvalho Heineken, the current heir, holds the power to steer this multi-billion-dollar ship. Heineken isn't just one beer, it's a portfolio of over 170 brands, from Amstel to Dos Equis to Strongbow. They quietly dominate shelves worldwide by acquiring local favorites and offering something for every taste. If you don't like Heineken, they've got a dozen other options waiting. Gerard Heineken thought globally before it was cool, exporting beer to France and Indonesia in the 1870s. Winning a gold medal in Paris gave Heineken instant credibility abroad. Early exports set the stage for Heineken's international dominance. Today, Heineken operates 165-plus breweries in over 70 countries, a true global empire. Brewing locally lets them adapt to tastes and cut costs while still feeling local everywhere. 85,000 employees keep the machine running worldwide. When the original Amsterdam brewery closed, Heineken turned it into the Heineken Experience, a tourist hotspot and living ad. It's a brilliant way to profit from their own history. Heineken's modern growth. Buy, don't build. They've spent billions acquiring brands like Dos Equis and Lagunitas, instantly expanding their reach. If they can't beat a competitor, they buy them. Heineken spends billions on marketing, linking their brand to the Champions League, Formula One, and even James Bond. These high-profile partnerships cement Heineken as a premium global lifestyle brand. It's not just beer, it's an image. Heineken saw the rise of alcohol-free living as an opportunity, not a threat. Their 0.0 alcohol-free beer, launched in 2017, became a hit, proving they can innovate and adapt. They're not just following trends, they're shaping them. Heineken's history isn't spotless. Controversies include colonial-era expansion, price-fixing fines, and ethical issues in Africa. Their global reach has sometimes come at a cost. Even the biggest brands have skeletons in the closet. Heineken produces over 24 billion liters of beer and cider every year, enough to fill thousands of Olympic pools. 25 million Heineken beers are served daily in 192 countries. The logistics behind this are a business marvel. Heineken touts its Brewing a Better World sustainability program, investing in solar and water projects, but critics say their environmental footprint is still massive. Balancing profit and planet is a constant challenge. Heineken's branding is all about sophistication, green bottles, red stars, and open your world. They never compete on price. They sell a story of quality and cosmopolitan cool. That's how a mass-market beer stays premium. That green bottle is just the tip of a vast, family-run empire, built on risk, innovation, and relentless strategy. Heineken is global and local, traditional and modern, premium and everywhere. Most people see a beer, you now see the empire behind it. That's the real story behind Heineken, a masterclass in branding control and global ambition. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives. Let us know in the comments which company you want us to break down next. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. See you in the next one.